How to fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on screen time, and further tap on the content and privacy restrictions option. Now, go ahead and toggle on the content and privacy restrictions toggle button and further tap on the allowed apps and features option and toggle on the toggle button for Safari. Now, go back to settings and tap on the apps option from the bottom and then tap on the Safari option you see there. Here, tap on the Clear History and Website Data option, and further select the time frame and then tap on the Clear History option. Once cleared, tap on the Advanced option and from the bottom of your screen, and further scroll down and tap on the Feature Flags option. Scroll down to the bottom again and tap on the Reset All to Default option, and with this, your issue should have been fixed. So this is how you can fix this app cannot be installed because its integrity could not be verified. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.